Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable on my iPhone account to save notes on the local device storage on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen, and on the home screen tap on settings. In settings, go down, so scroll down and tap on notes. Next, we go down and tap on my iPhone account. Tap on the toggle button to disable or enable it. Now set that using an on my iPhone account allows you to store notes on this device. Your other notes won't be affected. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key to go back to settings or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.